come home again, talking about where you've been, how it's dark and dingy and run down, loud and good for nothing. Yeah, the whiskey's fine, but some guy always picks a fight. You find yourself there every night, despite your better judgment. And your daddy was a drinker, and his father before him. Now you're just another junior next to Johnny, Jack, and Jim. Those bars where boys become men and men become violent, and the cycle starts again. Those bars where you keep it all in, 'cause crying is for cowards, and you ain't one of them. Yeah, I can see the light of who you are, but I swear some small part of you loves those bars. You call home again, I already know where this ends. I bail you out, you learn nothing, I accept the charge. And you used to be a dreamer, now you can't walk a straight line, and you're just another number in that county jail behind those bars where boys become men and men become violent, and the cycle starts again. Those bars where you keep it all in, 'cause crying is for cowards, and you ain't one of them. Yeah, I can see the light of who you are, but I swear some small part of you loves those bars. Is to feel no shame, no. Maybe you believed it, so it's easier to numb out than to face the pain. But if you always do what they've always done, you'll always get what they're running from, until the day you're brave enough to raise those bars. So when boys become men, men become gentle, and the cycle ends with them. Those bars where you let it all in, 'cause hiding is for cowards, and you ain't one of them. Hey, I can see the light of who you are, and I know reaching higher is so hard, but I swear some small part of you loves those bars. Thank you.